Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs directly in the InShot app so you can easily add them to your videos. Whether you are looking for music to fit the vibe of your project or just want to add the perfect soundtrack, I will walk you through how to get it done. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app. Now open it. Tap on video to create a new project and select the video you want to edit. Here you can find the option of audio. Simply tap on it. Then you can find the option of music. Go ahead and select it. To download the songs, tap on to the tracks. Here you can see the selection of free music. After selecting one track, now tap on to one of the music. Here you can find the cloud-like button. Now tap on it. After tapping on that, you can finally download the song like that. Now download the song how many you want to download. And after downloading it, you can simply tap on to use button and you can use it on your video free. And now you can edit the video with the music that you want. And that's it. You have just learned how to download and add music to your video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.